Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at 39 cents in terms of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.29% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. ADA essentially has in every way that really matters. Complete market cap of $13,534,026,795 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $295,815,595, or so they explicitly thought. This makes Cardano kind of positioning at 7 in the digital currency market, which especially is very huge. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano basically be genuinely worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge? Is Cardano a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ADA cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which for the most part is genuinely huge? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which sort of is very huge. Cardano value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ADA cost is supposed to really cross a very normal value level of 54 cents. The normal kind of least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to sort of be 52 cents in a quite large manner. Besides, ADA can especially arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 59 cents. Cardano value expectation April 2023. Concerning April 2023, Cardano cost especially is gauged to all things considered, arrive at a most minimal cost of 38 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of 43 cents with the typical expected cost around 42 cents. Cardano value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Cardano is supposed to generally be at around a sort of least of 41 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Cardano cost can basically arrive at a for the most part limit of 45 cents with the fundamentally normal cost of 43 cents in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano value expectation June 2023. The cost for Cardano in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 43 cents and 47 cents. Or so they explicitly thought, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around 45 cents in a kind of significant manner. Cardano value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Cardano could stretch around 49 cents. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2023 generally is 44 cents with a typical cost of 46 cents, which essentially is very huge. Cardano value gauge August 2023. The normal cost of Cardano could sort of go to 47 cents toward the finish of August 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. ADA could be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of 51 cents with the especially least expected cost of 45 cents. Especially further appearance how the ADA cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of 43 cents with the kind of typical expected cost around 42 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Cardano value expectation September 2023. The cost for Cardano in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 46 cents and 53 cents in a huge manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 48 cents in a kind of huge manner. Cardano value expectation October 2023. The cost for Cardano in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 48 cents and 55 cents, which essentially is very huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to truly be around 50 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge. Cardano value forecast November 2023. The cost of Cardano certainly is for the most part anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of 50 cents in November 2023 incredibly. The ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of 57 cents with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 52 cents all through 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Cardano value estimate December 2023. The very normal cost of Cardano could especially go to 54 cents toward the finish of December 2023, or so they truly thought. ADA could for the most part be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of 59 cents with the exceptionally least expected cost of 52 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been diminished by 2.93% in its truly current worth and in an every way that really matters, significant way. On the off chance that we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday, you can especially see that the market cap generally is likewise down in an extremely enormous manner. Cardano, all things considered, is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The ADA basically is down to nearly 1.09% over the most recent 7 days in an exceptionally enormous manner. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly beyond couple of days. The coin could for the most part have kind of solid essentials at the same time. We don't basically imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they fundamentally thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 1.072%, dispensing with an astounding sort of typical amount of $0 its extremely current worth incredibly. This unexpected down really implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very great in every practical sense. Purchase an open door for fast interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 17.10%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a kind of least sort of typical cost of 31 cents to most extreme sort of normal cost of 33 cents in the very beyond 90 days. And certainly most recent 4 months Cardano generally has shown a developing pattern, which certainly is very huge. Consequently, we truly feel that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, which basically is very critical. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano sort of is expanded from 4 months amazingly. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The coin in a real sense is up by 33.43% with the in every way that really matters. Greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin generally was around 32 cents and the base certainly normal cost of for the most part was around 31 cents and lovely beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense shows that Cardano value estimate August 2023 the normal cost of Cardano could in every way that really matters go to 47 cents toward the finish of August 2023, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano value figure 2023 FAQs what will sort of be Cardano all things considered, worth in 2023, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The ADA cost fundamentally is guanched to truly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 59 cents with pretty least cost of 52 cents toward the finish of 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Does Cardano explicitly have a future, which for the most part is very critical? As far as value, Cardano truly has a remarkable by and large potential to arrive at new levels incredibly as a matter of fact. It basically is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem, showing that Cardano value estimate May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of Cardano for the most part is supposed to basically be at around at least 41 cents, or so they explicitly thought, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Cardano can generally raise a ruckus around town all expectations in purposes most exorbitant cost of $16.70 till 2030, or so they in a real sense thought. Is Cardano especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Cardano's worth for the most part is supposed to truly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general sort of energize cost rise, which basically shows that besides ADA can truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 59 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture, for the most part in opposition to